We launched the technology grade on Token Metrics. Most of you are aware we use AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning to rate crypto assets. Think of us as the Bloomberg for crypto, but AI driven, or even kind of like the Moody or like a credit scoring agency for crypto assets in real time. So we have both the trader grade and the investor grade. But something we've been working on is how do you figure out what projects have good technology? And a new feature we've been working on is how to automatically audit the security and the code and the technology of crypto assets. So typically we would have our code reviews where our blockchain engineer would go out and create reports auditing the code. Well, guess what? We have now automated that whole process. This has been lots of work in the making. But now if you go to Token Metrics, over hundreds of crypto assets, if you go to investor and you go to technology, we have automated the process of giving you a grade on a crypto asset based on development activity, based on security and audit. So have there been any hacks? Do they have a bug bounty? Do they have audits, security audits? And the quality of the code. And we actually, using our technology, we audit the code in an automated fashion, doing code analysis, looking for vulnerabilities, looking to see how complex the code is, looking for the code quality and how clean the code is. All of this has been automated. So you don't have to be a developer to figure out whether or not a project has good technology. So based on these three subgrades, so developer activity. So if you go on GitHub on their repository that's open source, how involved are the developers, right? Do they regularly update the code? Are there lots of other developers adding to that code or adding to that project? Is it active? Is there a good community? So all these different metrics have been automated, and we distill this into one single grade called the technology grade. Highly encourage you check this out. This is something we've been looking to add to the platform. We had it briefly, but it wasn't as powerful as it is now. We've added so many different data points, right? Being able to tell you whether a project has audits is crucial in crypto. Being able to tell you whether a project has been hacked, or whether it has a bug bounty, all these data points matter. So in terms of how this is weighted, about 2/3 of the grade is more towards developer activity, because where developers go is typically where the value accrues in crypto in terms of developer ecosystems. And then the rest is also looking at the security, the audits, and the code quality. As you see here, technology for Solana is 87%. Let's go through and look at some other crypto assets to kind of give you an idea. Let's look at Aptos, actually. Aptos is a new cryptocurrency that has launched. So going to do this on the fly. So we go to investor, technology, 93%. Wow. Okay. So lots of development activity on Aptos, and security and audit score is high. Code quality, we have no grade for this. I don't believe it's open source. That's why. I guess they haven't open sourced their code just yet, but this is a good sign. Let's pick some other cryptocurrency. Let's look at Umi, which is basically building DeFi for Cosmos and the Cosmos ecosystem. So if we go to investor, technology. Okay, so we have technology grade is 65%. Lots of development activity, but scored low on security and audits. Okay, so definitely worth looking into this to see why this scored low. Definitely tell us what you think down below. Let us know if you're excited for the technology grade. And then if you go to summary, we've been working with GPT-3 for the last 1 year or so. And now we've added automated investment reports for different crypto assets. So when you come in here, using our own data and GPT-3, we're building automated summaries for different crypto assets. So it takes the data we have here and tries to give you a summary in words, in human language, what that means. So definitely tell us what you think about that down below.